In any given decade, the number of chemical manufacturing disasters might appear modest, but such accidents kill, injure, and affect more people than any of us really care to imagine. So when it comes to training the staff who work on such dangerous sites, our latest investigation compared virtual reality versus good old-fashioned classroom training. And over several measures of how present a trainee was in the educational content, we found statistically significant support in favour of virtual reality over traditional classroom training. If you would like to know more, follow the link below or above this video to go to the full peer-reviewed scientific report on this collaborative work and learn more about the broader implications for safety training and the people in your care.